Happy Tuesday, Creo College Prep. I'm excited because today we are going to start a new project in Scratch. Let's take a look. Make sure your packet is open to Tuesday, April 21st. The Do Now asks you to fill in a few vocabulary fill-in-the-blanks. To iterate means to go over our code again and again. Scratch iterates too. What is it called when Scratch does something over and over again? Answer: looping. You can fill in your vocabulary using the slide at the bottom here. Then you'll create your new project. Create your new project in Scratch, title it Iteration by Miss Wingreen, or your name. Then share it and add it to our Iteration Class Studio. In your Iteration project, you will create at least 2 different sprites and add at least 1 loop to each sprite's code. Check out these loops here for ideas on what your loop could look like. Remember to program each sprite. Let's take a look at what that will look like in Scratch. First, log in, and then check out My Class. I've made a new studio called Iteration. You can click on it and check out some of the projects in the Class Studio. Then you'll go up to the top left and click Create to make your own project. Don't forget to title it. We're going to want to title it Iteration by, and then write your name. Let's go back and check out the instructions. I've created my project, I've titled it, now I need to share it and add it to our Iteration Class Studio. I click the orange Share button at the top, and then I'll click Add to Studio at the bottom. Add it to our Iteration Class Studio. Then I click See Inside to edit my code. Make sure to add in 2 different sprites and add in at least 1 loop block in each sprite's code. Let's say I want to add in a different cat sprite, and then these 2 cats will interact with each other using a loop. Maybe I'll use a repeat 10 times loop and check out some of these motion blocks. Don't forget, make sure to program both sprites. You can also add in additional sprites if you're up for the challenge. I look forward to seeing your projects during office hours. When you've finished, check out our debug checklist. Did you complete the vocabulary section of our packet? Did you create a new iteration project and add it to our Class Studio? Did you add 2 or more sprites to your project? And did you add 1 or more loop to each sprite? If you did all of those things, you'll get a 4 out of 4.